Hello, today we will guide you through how to allow participants to share screen in Zoom. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you are signed in and ready to host or manage a meeting. This setting is typically adjusted from inside an active meeting, so the first thing you need is to launch Zoom and bring up the main application window. Once Zoom is open, go ahead and open a sample Zoom meeting. You can start a new meeting or join a meeting where you are the host, since screen sharing permissions are controlled by the host. If you are just testing this feature, opening a practice meeting is a simple way to learn where the controls are before using them in a real session. Give the meeting a moment to fully load so the bottom toolbar becomes visible. Next, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the Zoom meeting window. Find the share screen option. Near it, you should also see a small arrow, which opens additional sharing settings. Click that arrow at the bottom of the screen. This is an important area because it gives you more control over how screen sharing works for everyone in the meeting, not just for the host. After clicking the arrow, select the option for host sharing tools. Depending on your Zoom version, the wording may look slightly different, but you are looking for the sharing controls that let the host manage participant permissions. This menu is where Zoom keeps the settings related to who can share and how sharing behaves during the meeting. From there, choose the setting labeled Multiple Can Share. Selecting this option allows more than one participant to share their screen at the same time. This can be especially useful during collaborative meetings, team discussions, or classes where several people may need to present content without waiting for one person to stop sharing first. After you make this change, participants in the meeting should be able to share according to the settings you selected. If something does not seem to work right away, give Zoom a moment to apply the change and confirm that you are still in the meeting as the host. It also helps to make sure participants can see the share screen button on their side. That's all it takes to allow participants to share screens in Zoom using the host sharing controls.